Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at that awesome Can-Am Defender Max Limited. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about some accessories we've done on this one. Let's start off right on the front. So the Defender Limited does come with the winch that's on there already. Does come with that great looking front bumper. We did add the 15-inch Can-Am light bar. I absolutely love the light bar on this machine. It's going to give you a lot of extra light. The stock headlights on the machine are okay, but if you're doing any riding at night, you're going to want additional lighting. We also have tinted the windows on this machine, the windshield, the sides, and the back to keep all of that sun off the back of your neck, the side of your face, your arms. It looks good. It's going to help keep the cab cool in the summer. We've got the Can-Am side mirrors. We refer to these as the trucker mirrors. They look really good. They function good. They do fold in out of the way if you smack a tree. Need to pull in somewhere tight. This device right here, this is for the Garmin on the inside. We've utilized the tusk mount to mount it onto the cage. Let me open up the inside, show you what I'm talking about. So there is the Garmin mount. It's still got the screen protector on there, but tons of features available for this awesome mount. You can communicate with other people, see where you're at, do all your tracks, your waypoints, and all of that fun stuff. The Can-Am Defender Max Limited does come with the rear view mirror. We've installed the Ryco Street Legal Kit on it. How does it operate? Just like a car, down will be left. We've got those indicator lights up on the dash letting you know those turn signals are on. And with this higher end kit, it does replace those signature lights from Can-Am. No additional holes to drill. Looks factory. With the Ryco Street Legal Kit, it also ties into the stock tail lights, illuminating all of those bright LEDs. It also comes with the license plate mount as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. You do have the four-way hazard function with the Ryco kit. Pull out on the red lever. To release it, go up or down with the lever. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever. On the back, we've installed the roto cap. They are made in the USA. Gotta love that. Looks really good, seals off really good. Tons of extra cargo space. You do have some tie-down D-rings to secure additional cargo. Pop it open on the sides. Great big storage. Stays up with some hydraulic rams. Huge. Tons of good storage in there. You still have the ability to utilize your tailgate, your cargo area. You can still dump it. It's got a nice seal along it to keep all your contents dust-free, dry, secure. Very nice, very nice. You still have the ability to use all your tie-down locations. All of the link accessories are still going to work in the back, with the exception of the big cargo box. This machine is also going to get snow tracks on it. We'll do an updated video with the tracks on it. The customers are going to take it out, use it, get some break-in miles on it. Got those extended fender flare extensions on there, front and back. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text if you'd like to make one of these yours. If you have any questions on the accessories, we can also hook you up on those as well. What do you think? If this were yours, what else would you add to it? 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or post up in the comments below. We'll do everything we can to get all your questions answered. Turned out awesome. Have a great day, everybody.